What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not currently subscribed, go ahead and do so. We got Zach252 Explorer here in the shop. We're back at Cartwright's at night. We got Paul here in the video. We got Chan. And we got the man himself, Zach252.
What's good, dog?
So basically what it looks like is it's almost ready to be painted. Bondo going on. All right, had to turn the radio down for a second.
Turn the radio down.
Yeah. So now that we got you here, you wanna go ahead and kind of like explain what this is here and why you chose an Explorer, what year, make, model, why exactly, and what exactly are you doing to it?
Man, I bought this truck in about 3 years ago. It was my first vehicle. Found it at a repo place. I didn't even expect to get it this much done with, but I want to just fix it up because ain't nobody else have a vehicle like this no more. And I know the guy. He helped me out, and we're here to get everything redone, repainted. I'm getting new paint jobs. I got new system coming. I got everything brand new, all inside, new custom interior, everything, man. And it's just gonna be sweet. Ain't nobody out here like that.
Yeah, I appreciate that. You know, that's like, honestly, it's everybody nowadays kind of got the same thing. You know what I mean? Like Silverados with fucking rims on it, and you know, slam cars and Hondas. Everybody's got the same thing.
I just want to do something different, man.
Yeah, you know, like you don't want to be cookie cutter, man. If you ever look at a cookie cutter, it cuts the same shape every time.
Yeah,
like
cookie cutter neighborhoods.
Bro, really?
I mean, hey, it's the same thing with cars. That's why I drive a Kia.
What do you drive, Paul?
I drive a Kia.
You drive a
Sorento
Kia
EX.
When are you
2005.
At least it's 4-wheel drive.
It's 4-wheel drive. Dude, that thing's a beast.
Yeah, at least it's 4-wheel drive.
It can keep up. I don't think it could win a race.
You got a monstrous V6 under the hood.
Yeah,
of that
it
thing.
does. That thing's nice.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
This 02 Explorer, man, you know, everybody around here either drives a 4-door, so I was kind of shocked to know that they had a 2-door one. I was like, man, what? So here it is today. We're gonna get everything done to it, man. I'm just ready.
But yeah, it's a 4-liter V6, so single cam. I'm not really a Ford person. I don't know too much about the motor, but all I know is if you guys have watched the videos previously when we first rolled this into the shop and kind of started getting footage of it, you hear that exhaust clip.
Not that many people got it anymore.
Installed by yours truly.
Yeah. You need installments, hit him up. He'll hit you up.
Yeah, this guy, audio professional here. You can hit him up. Wire Tech, yeah, that's right. Wire
Talk
Tech.
about the wiring he did to this though. I mean, he got this, he got this, you got everything running around here, man. Bang, it still works.
So Paul's telling me
I
Yeah.
do car control, so.
that if you put lacquer thinner on Bondo, it'll dry faster. So
Put what?
A lacquer thinner on it. It dries it out. We do it doing carpentry, doing woodwork.
So
Put it on it, and it
You
dries it out.
you use automotive Bondo and carpentry?
Yeah. If we
well,
have,
no
like,
carpentry Bondo, obviously.
there are different types of Bondo.
I didn't even know there was a thing. Is that what that's in there? Is that what that is?
I guess we're about to find out if it works. I heard it from one of my coworkers.
Is this the new gun that you got? Good job. Now you're the only one in here with a respirator. If OSHA watches this, we're fucked. Damn, you can fucking blaze donuts with that bitch.
Flake blaster. It's called the Lil Daddy.
The little daddy flake blaster.
Where's the big daddy?
So
Right here.
what is flake?
Flake?
We hear that reference a lot when it comes to automotive bodywork, especially on paint jobs.
Flake is kind of like glitter, but made more for automotive.
In here?
The cup.
Oh, the cup. What's leaking out of it?
Oh, lacquer thinner.
I like this shop though, man. Cartwright. It's got like that old school like grease monkey like look to it. You know what I mean? Like the old school windows.
Yeah.
And the you know, like the steel fucking garage door that comes up.
Right.
You got the giant paint booth over there, just like all the space and everything. You know what I mean? Oh, he got the lift. You got the lift, bro.
Yeah.
You got the lift.
Yeah, straight stocks.
There you go.
Truck board.
Are you getting rims for this thing?
Yeah.
What kind of rims you looking at?
Man, I'm gonna do the old-fashioned lowrider, man. Plan on doing
Like the multi-spoke?
100 spoke.
Like,
hopefully gold rims, man. It's gonna be lowered.
are you gonna get that thing that like the center wing nut looking thing?
Yep, it's gonna be so dope, man. I just can't wait. See my monkey? That's my ride or die right there, boy. Let's try yours.
Mine will probably break. I got fucking glass knees, dude.
If I did that.
Bro, that'd be this man's rapping career, carpentry career would be over.
Do you want to see my fingernails?
Are you a time traveler, Paul?
I think so.
Dude, honestly, like you got like Marty McFly shit. You need like a fucking life preserver.
Have you not seen my DeLorean?
What's he doing wearing a life preserver, eh? You guys ever you seen that, right?
Yeah, I saw it.
You never seen Back to the Future?
I have.
Yeah, so you know. Dude's he just needs a life preserver,
If
you
I
know?
did that, bro, you would have been not.
Oh, hey, that needs to be the thumbnail.
Cakey over there.
That's unbelievable. Like 80 grit. That's crazy. I would have thought this been like real roughed up, you know, but it doesn't feel like that.
Right.
What you said held a grip.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a rust repellent on the roof called POR 15. If you look up here, I don't know if you can get up there, but you can see in this spot right here, there's some spots that still look a little rusty, and the only way to fix that is to cut the metal out and replace it. Well, we don't have the money to do that, so we're gonna put POR 15 in it, and that'll stop the rust from coming back through and stop it from penetrating the paint when we paint it.
What?
It looks like some shit you see in the gulag.
What?
The bathroom, look at it. Well, Zach's
Hey man, don't be knocking Cartwright's bathroom, bro. No, where's it at? Dude, that's actually good lighting right here. That's actually really good lighting.
Do I look good?
I plead the fucking fifth on that one, guy.
Some good shit right here.
All y'all YouTubers and fellow YouTube watchers, if you follow me on Instagram, 252.zm, I'll add you or I'll follow you back. And if you add me on Snapchat, ZachM.252, I will add you back. Ain't no playing with that, man.
But with this one, I'm so tired of fucking looking at it, I'm gonna just prime it once and be done with it.
That sounds like
A plan.
I was gonna say.
Oops.
But
Oops.
now, if we were doing
Wow.
like a regular paint job, I would reprime it. But with flake, your body work don't have to be perfect because there's gonna be so much flake that you can't even like see the dent.
You won't like see any kind of discrepancies or anything like that?
Right.
Oh, okay.
All you'll see is green flake. That's it.
What a caught.
Hey, y'all. One more thing. I got one more feature. Look down here. It's a little dirty, but you see the dice? I don't play no game. All four of them got the dice.
Got those two. I'm gonna do it around this door too. That's some fucking what's the painter's name? That famous painter.
Vincent Van Gogh. Picasso.
Bob Ross.
Oh, Bob Ross. Oh, Lord. We got Bob Ross right over there.
Don't be mean. Time isn't real. It's just a concept created by men.
Uh-oh. It's the wee woo.
You better put that on the video. I'm laying some hard shit right now.
Okay, yeah, I don't need the Illuminati coming after me.
That's not the Illuminati. Time is just a construct that we made.
Hey, Paul.
I mean,
here.
Cops are here.
Bro, you gotta stop spitting the facts.
Gotta stop spitting the facts, dude. They're after me.
You done brought the cops, man.
They don't want
Yeah.
us woke boys.
Oh my lord, man.
He'll be back. Get out that way.
This man's
Don't look at me.
this man's actually leaving.
Where is he going? I drove him here.
He'll be back. It's too cold out there.
Oh yeah, you got a point. You did drive me here. I can't.
Oh well, fucking never mind. I told him, I was like, he'll be back because it's too cold. All right, so how much more of this you got left?
That's about it.
It kind of looks like the tar shit, you know, they put in like cracks on pavement. Like the black tar, man. That's kind of like what it looks like. Hey! Earth the fucking earthling. Yeah, it's one too many times. All right, guys. This is the end of the video for Zach252's progress build. And this will probably be part 2 of the initial series. So, not much more work is left on the... What is it? Priming it is?
Bondo.
Bondo. So right now it's in the phase of getting Bondo, rust protection.
And then we'll come back tomorrow, sand it. If everything looks right, we'll go ahead and prime it.
Yeah. So what he said. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure you check out Midnight Accelerators and the Super DJ Chan channel. They're featured on my main channel page. So if you go there and check them out. If you want to see more stuff with this goon's got going on, make sure you check out his Snapchat, Instagram. Links will both be in the description. If you want to see the SoundCloud and no, we're not
Upcoming rapper.
no. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.
All right, everybody fuck the fuck off and go to hell home.
You're my ride.
Yeah. God dang it!